Hello and welcome to the first episode of Cultural Conversations. I'm your host Mannat, and today we'll be diving into the world of Spanish folk music, which is an important part of Spain's culture. From the lively rhythms of flamenco to the peaceful songs of northern Spain, this music tells you about the Spain's past and its people. I am joined today by a great group, Dhairya, Harshil, and Sambhav, each of whom will share their thoughts on Spanish folk music. Welcome to you all. How's everyone doing today?
Hi Mannat, I'm doing well. Thank you. I'm excited to talk about this topic with everyone.
Hi Manat, excited to be here. Spanish folk music is really interesting and I can't wait to dive into it.
Hello everyone, I am glad to be here and excited to talk about Spanish folk music.
Okay, let's begin. By looking at the history of Spanish folk music, Spain's music is influenced by different cultures like Celts, Moors, Jews, and the native people. There, can you explain how this music has changed over time and how it differs in different parts of Spain?
Sure, Mannat, Spanish folk music has evolved over many centuries. Spain's history, filled with different culture, has shaped its music. For example, flamenco comes from Andalusia and is a mixing of singing, dancing, and guitar. But every region of Spain has its own special style. In Galicia, there are bagpipes and its Basque country, that's its Tasparta, which is a kind of percussion instrument. These regional styles add to a rich variety of Spanish folk music.
Exactly, Dhairya. The emotion in this music is what makes it so special. Harshil, as someone who works in the cultural preservation, why do you think it's important to preserve Spanish folk music for the future generations?
Great question Manat. Preserving Spanish folk music is important because it's more than just music. It's part of Spain's history and identity. This music has told the stories of the Spanish people through hard times, like the Spanish Civil War, and through moments of joy. By keeping these traditions alive, we help future generations stay connected to Spain's rich past.
Well said, Harshil. Spanish folk music not only expresses emotions but also tells the history of the people. Sambhav, now, could you please tell us about the main instruments used in the Spanish folk music?
Sure Mannat, the Spanish guitar is one of the most important instruments, especially in flamenco. It helps create the strong emotion sound. The cajon, which is the percussion box, add rhythm to the music, particularly in flamenco. There are also religion music instrument like the
Gaita,
gaita,
a kind of bagpipe in Galicia.
magpie in Galicia, and the texture patla from the Basque region.
Basque
These
region.
Basque region, these instruments add different flavors to Spanish folk music.
Exactly. The variety of instruments shows how diverse Spain is. The music helps tell the story of the people in each region.
Absolutely. Now, in today's world, many cultural traditions are at risk of being forgotten. Harshil, how do you think that we can make sure that Spanish folk music here is preserved while still moving forward in modern times?
That's a great question, Manat. In today's world, it's important to make an effort to keep Spanish folk music alive. Festivals like the Festival Internacional de Cante de las Minas help bring attention to the tradition. There are also cultural organizations like the Fundación Conservatorio Flamenco that supports this music. In the digital age, platforms like YouTube and Spotify allow more people to discover and enjoy this music. Modern artists are also mixing folk music with styles like jazz and electronic music, which help keep it fresh and interesting. But it's important to keep the original traditions alive so that the music doesn't lose its true essence.
Exactly. The goal should be to enhance the tradition, not replace it. By respecting the original style, we can ensure that the Spanish music keeps evolving.
Chal.
Spanish folk music keeps evolving without losing and what it makes special.
I agree. Modern adaptation can help the music alive but the foundation must stay instant so future generation can appreciate the understanding the music's true meaning.
Well said, Sambhav. Preserving Spanish folk music is important not only for Spain but for the world. It tells the stories of struggle, joy, and culture by balancing tradition with innovation. We can make sure that the music remains relevant for years to come.
It's about finding the right balance between honoring the past and embracing the future.
And it's also about making sure that future generations can experience the richness of this music in its original form.
Thank you all for sharing your thoughts today. It's been a pleasure discussing such an important part of Spain's culture with all of you. To our listeners, we hope this conversation has inspired you to explore Spanish folk music even more. Remember, preserving culture is a team effort. We all have a role in keeping these traditions alive. Thank you.